Why choose Inframitra? Because we are one of India's leading solar energy companies, delivering power, performance, and trust. At Inframitra, we provide a single solution for all your infrastructure needs, from concept designing to commissioning and maintenance. Under one roof, you'll find world-class goods, services, and cutting-edge technology. As an ISO 9001-2015 certified company, our well-defined processes guarantee unbeatable quality-driven performance. Strengthened by experienced leadership with exposure to multiple industries, we are committed to delivering the best-in-class quality at optimized cost within minimum time, guaranteed. Our focus is on performance. Quality and customer satisfaction are at the core, ensuring optimum energy generation for every project. With state-of-the-art engineering tools and advanced project management, we ensure reliability, optimized performance, and timely delivery, all at the lowest cost. At Inframitra, our responsibility goes beyond business. We are committed to reducing global carbon footprints, from clean energy to planting saplings for a greener tomorrow. Our powerful portfolio offers comprehensive and precise solutions, maximizing plant performance and meeting your specific energy needs. From grid-connected to off-grid renewable solutions, we customize every project to match your requirements. Inframitra. Embrace the power of the sun with a trusted partner committed to quality, performance, and sustainability.